In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files from OneDrive. If you want to remove a file you no longer need, OneDrive makes the process very simple. This is useful for cleaning up old documents, getting rid of duplicate files, or organizing your storage so it's easier to find what matters. To begin, open OneDrive and go to the main area where your files are stored. From there, click on My Files. This section shows the files and folders saved in your OneDrive account, so it's the place you'll usually go when you want to manage or remove something. Take a moment here to locate the file you want to delete before moving on. Once you've found the file, the next step is to open the file options. You can do this in either of two ways. The first option is to click on the three dots next to the file, which opens a menu of actions you can take. The second option is to right-click directly on the file itself. Both methods do the same thing, so you can use whichever feels more natural to you. After the menu appears, click on Delete. As soon as you do that, OneDrive will remove the file from your file list. In most cases, the file is moved to the recycle bin rather than being erased permanently right away. That means if you delete something by mistake, you may still be able to restore it later. This can be especially helpful if you're cleaning up quickly and accidentally remove the wrong item. When deleting files, it's always a good idea to double check that you've selected the correct one, especially if the file names are similar. If you're working with important documents, taking that extra second can save you time later. And that's all it takes. Just go to My Files, open the File menu by clicking the three dots, or by right-clicking the file, and then select Delete. It's a fast and easy way to keep your OneDrive storage organized and clutter-free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.